Hi there, it's Jen, and thanks for joining me. I am doing a fun finds for the week of April 30th. I haven't done one for a while, and it is National Scrapbooking Day today, and there's some stuff going on, so I thought I'd go ahead and make a video. The first item that I wanted to mention was that Michael's has a 60% off coupon that is good today only, which is May 1st, and it's in store only. And then another thing I found on the internet was the Pink and Main subscription box is available today. And I know that's been selling out very quickly, so I thought I'd go ahead and mention it in case you're interested. For National Scrapbooking Day, scrapbook.com has all of their exclusive products for up to 50% off. They have a bunch of nice items like the bending brushes, the inks, a lot of other products also. Spellbinders has their annual spring super sale with up to 40% off products. And then Queen and Company for National Scrapbook Day is doing giveaways. So if you want more information on that, just go ahead and visit their Facebook page to find out how you can enter those giveaways for some free items. And then I went to the Altenew website. Just to see what they had, and usually I purchase my Altenew like stamps and stuff from scrapbook.com because I can get it very quickly, but I was on their page and they have some really good sales going on. So they have 2 pages of sales, and so for example, this die and flower set is it looks like it says $19.80 for both the die and the stamp set, which is an awesome deal because usually those will run between like $30 and $40. So if you're interested, I will leave a link below to their website. And then for the weekly freebies, there's actually two. Scrapbook.com, with any purchase, you will receive a big sponge dauber and then 3 clear daubers. But you do need to make a purchase, whether it's a small purchase or a large purchase, it's up to you. But you can get that. And then there's a free ebook. When I was on the Altenew website, I found a free ebook which has inspirational ideas. And so I thought I'd go ahead and mention that. I went to Tuesday morning this morning, and I thought that they had just stocked because they had so much stuff. But when I got up to the counter with my purchase, I asked if they stocked today because usually they do on Wednesday. And she had said that no, the truck broke down, so it won't be there until tomorrow. Um, but I wanted to go ahead and show these. Vicki Boutin has a lot of items, the scribble crayons, the glazes, and I actually purchased the glazes. So the iridescent and the rose gold is what I purchased. Pink and Main, I've never seen them at Tuesday morning, but they had several different 6x6 paper pads. Dilutions Creative Diary, that was $6.99. Spectrum Noir, the sparkle pens for $6.99, that's a good price. And then they had a bunch of different Kelly Creates. These are the metallic pencils, which I picked up for $4.99. And then Spectrum Noir has several of their portrait pens and their illustrator pens, which are the ones with the brush nibs on them. So there's some more of those later. And then Dina Wakley media boards. This is just a cutting mat. It was $6.99. I thought that was a good deal. And then We Are Memory Keepers. It's like a little journaling punch or calendar punch, or not punch, little stamps. And then I found this cute Harry Potter die. And this has 4 containers in it, and it's like a zip up bag, so for embellishments or anything small. They had a lot of journaling items. This one is Heidi Swap for $9.99, and these journals come with 2 of the inserts. And they have a lot of different designs. And there's so much stuff, which is why I was surprised that they didn't stock today. But if I find anything, if I go tomorrow and I find anything new, I'll go ahead and post that on my Instagram page instead of making a whole nother video. So if I do find anything, like I said, I'll go ahead and post that on my Instagram page if you are interested. There's an item at the end from Vicki Boutin. It is like a scraper tool where it has different designs. It's like a rubber tool. This, I swear, it just came out from Scrapbooking on scrapbooking.com a couple of weeks ago, and it's already at Tuesday morning for $2.99. So I was like so excited to find that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it or found it informative, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, please go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you found some information that was helpful or that you could use. And I will catch you next time.